Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Python 3.x or Anaconda is installed and that you know which environment to use. Open your terminal or command prompt now. This is where you'll run commands. Once done, type Python version or Conda version to verify. Those quick checks save time. If you see versions, proceed. If not, install or adjust path. This first step prevents errors later and gets you ready to launch Jupyter quickly and reliably. You now start Jupyter from the shell. If you use Conda, activate the environment with Conda activate myenv so packages match your project. Then run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. You'll see output that includes a local URL and token. Copy and paste that URL into your browser if it doesn't open automatically. Make sure your browser allows localhost access. Running from the intended environment ensures kernels find the right libraries and avoids confusing missing package errors. You finish by opening or creating a Jupyter Notebook and selecting the kernel that matches your environment so code executes correctly. Save your work frequently and close the server with Ctrl+C in the terminal when done. If the browser fails to connect, try copying the token URL, disable firewalls temporarily, or confirm port 8888 isn't in use. If problems persist, reinstall Jupyter with pip install upgrade Jupyter or Conda install Jupyter. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.